Okay, and we have R2. I've actually switched a few things around in the receiver. I did actually have him turning just moments ago, but I've switched around again to try to change the controls up, since I'm not exactly sure which control does which thing on the receiver. I'm by no means a pilot to know which ones are which. But he does turn. We almost had a crash, but not quite. We do seem to have a spin problem in the wheels. He gets really jumpy and stuff. I definitely need to make foot locks or ankle locks, because I am popping wheelies all the time here. Or I shouldn't say wheelies, I have a wheelie bar to keep from doing that. Let me just pan down and show the feet. So I have a E100 electric scooter motor chain driven on here, and that comprises the entire drive shaft. And then I just put a small little 2-inch caster underneath him to serve as a wheelie bar, basically. I do still seem to have a slight inward tilt on the legs. Not sure exactly why that's doing that, but we'll figure that out. It's probably due to the way the feet are offset. But anyway, we're going to flip him back on. I put the dome on and just kind of put wires in here. Obviously, I wouldn't leave it like this, but for testing purposes, it'll serve everything I need. Let's make sure everything's coming up here. Here's the receiver. And here's the saber tooth. Let's make sure we're turned on there. Oh, actually we're not on. I think I just turned us off. Oh, well, it'd help if I actually plugged into the right battery supply. So we're going to turn that back off, I guess. Let's see, no, that's on. Turn that off. It'll actually plug into the correct battery. And now we're turning on. And we do have power, and we're just waiting on the receiver to sync at this point. And I'm going to go ahead and reset the controller as well. For some reason it takes a while to sync the receiver with the controller. I have found that if I turn the receiver on first, it does seem to do better. Sorry for the fingerprints in the camera view there. Okay, it looks like we are synced. I should mention that the dome motor is not connected to anything at this point. I actually had a blowout on the dome motor controller. Siren 10 is what I'm using for that. Not sure why, but I have a constant error light there. Dimension Engineering is taking care of it, but it's going to be next week before I have that. Anyway, we're going to test our new control system here. Okay, well, we did something wrong there. Well, our turn is right now, but let's see. Well, our main throttle control is in the wrong position, but our turning is correct, so let's figure out which one we've done wrong here. So I believe aileron is going to be or rudder is going to be the wrong one. So we're going to move rudder. Whoops, sorry about that. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and stop the video so I can change this out.